a person dies suddenly, how can we know what is the content of his blood and if there is some component that triggers his death? So we will do chromatography.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurfizana Huda binti Hamadi and I will be the first presenter for this presentation.
So this is our group member. Number 1 is Nurfizana Huda binti Hambali. Her matric number is 2021815356. Number 2 is Nurul Natasha binti Azmi. Her matric number is 2021652244. Number 3 is me, Nurhanis Akila binti Muhammad Nawi. My matric number is 2021204674. Lastly is Nurhanis Atika binti Muhammad Nawi. Her matric number is 2021213886.
So first I will be presenting chromatography analysis. So it is used for a single chemical species. The presence of foreign species, which is interference, will interfere the analytical signal. Interference is a chemical species that causes a systematic error in an analysis by enhancing or reducing the analytical signal. Thus, we did this analysis to separate the component. Next, these are the objectives that we must achieve. So the first one is to obtain benefit of chromatography. The second one is to investigate the chromatography types that we use. And the third one, to observe the result of each chromatography. I will move on to the next slide, which is definition of mixtures in blood of diseased person. Blood pH decreased from 7 to 5 in dead bodies. However, hypoxanthine ammonia and ADH and formic acid concentration all rose over time, and these metabolics might be used as indicators of the post-mortem period.
Hi, my name is Nurhanis Akila binti Muhammad Nawi. My matric number is 2021204674. My part is the benefits of chromatography in blood of a deceased person. There are a lot of benefits of chromatography in a blood of deceased person. The first reason is we are able to examine the chemical that cause a death, such as alcohol, drugs, or other poisonous substance. In example, if the causes are drugs, we are able to trace the type of the drug, either it is legal, illegal, or it is from the black market. Other example is, if he died due to smoke, we are able to determine what type of arson that he used. Next, by using a chromatography on deceased person, we are able to determine the causes and motive that may lead to a suicide or murder scene. Scientists are able to explain exactly what and perhaps who was present at the scene of the crime, and may even allow them to develop theories on where the suspect or victim had been before, depending on the variety of material found. In this case, we are able to find the murderer and can save other lives. Lastly, chromatography can save more time and inexpensive than using other chemical separations.
So the next slide is about types and machine. So the first one is types of chromatography. Chromatography, or the separation of complicated mixtures, is a crucial tool in forensic research. It is frequently used to distinguish between and compare samples of inks, explosives, narcotics, and biological samples like blood, urine, and saliva. And next, the machine used is mass spectrometers, commonly known as GCMS, are very sensitive and effective. Even with small amounts of material, the mass spectra of the analytes in chromatograms can be utilized to identify them with this detector.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurhanis Atika binti Muhammad Nawi. My matric number is 2021213886. One of the common compounds in blood of deceased person is alcohol. Alcohol content in blood can be found by using the headspace gas chromatography. The table shows the amount of blood added and the amount of ethanol found in the body. The graph shows that ethanol has the highest value in blood of deceased person depending on the retention time. The second compound in blood is hypoxanthine. It can be found by using high-performance liquid chromatography. Hypoxanthine is a normal compound in human body, but when a person dies, the level of hypoxanthine in the body will rise up. The longer the body was exposed to room temperature, the higher number of hypoxanthine detected. The graph shows that hypoxanthine has the higher value than uric acid and creatinine. The third compound in blood that we can find in deceased person is drug. If a person dies because of drugs, by doing paper chromatography, we can know what types of drug that she or he consumed. Based on the given result, the drugs that he consumed consist cocaine, heroin, and methamphetamine.
You can scan this link to know more about gas chromatography.
In conclusion, chromatography is a highly effective method for analyzing the contents of nature in the blood of deceased person. It is allowed for the separation and identification of various components present in the blood sample. By comparing the obtained chromatogram and with no standard and conducting further tests, it is possible to determine the presence and concentration of different substances such as drugs, toxins, or other compounds. And these are the references that we use for our case study. Thank you.